Quintex has dropped its last 5 games and they're in a deep hole, but we're not out of the woods yet. Kailangan din naming manalo.
Mahirap kalaban din yung yung sunod-sunod sa talo. Yung effort niyan, yung intensity niyan, yung kagustuhang manalo niyan. Grabe yung kagustuhan niyan. Kailangan doon kami maging ready.
Meron sila sa loob, meron sila sa labas. So, kung titignan natin, kompleto sila eh. Hindi rin basta-basta yung team na yun.
For as long as we come out with the same passion, the same energy, and with the mindset of winners, I think we can conquer our next games.
You know what we should have? We should have like a one-on-one debate between Sean Reyes and Ryan Gregorio. Two very eloquent individuals. Very, very good motivators as well.
Pero pag yung nagkaroon tayo ng debate, tapos may criteria, kailangan wala yung hindi kasama sa criteria yung yung costume. Kasi siguradong lamang na si Coach.
Lamang si... Meantime, here's Ritualo. So, Cardona and Ritualo trying to revive this Talking Text offense. And Ritualo responds with a TM3.
And a very different guard group right now para sa Talking Text. Tinanggal nila dalawang malalaki, Jay Washington at saka si Harvey Carey at si Jimmy Alapag. Tapos ang pinalit naman nila ngayon, tatlong 6-footer and pinagsabay pa si Mac Cardona at saka si Red Ritualo.
At isama pa dyan si Jack Gia. This is actually an energy unit for the phone pals. But Ralimi is frolicking inside now with 8 points.
Iba na ang matangkad. Ito si Red Ralimi. All he has to do is turn over and shoot that right-handed jump hook. And just too tall for the guys that are guarding him.
Gia to Cardona. Cardona inside. 6 points ang lamang ng Pure Foods as we near the last 3 minutes of the opening quarter. Ralimi putback is no good. Ray Evangelista has been providing quality minutes here para sa Pure Foods at nakahingi pa siya dito ng timeout to save the possession. So 30-second timeout para sa Pure Foods and Ray Evangelista putting his experience to good use here in the opening quarter. As we check out this Yakult Slam Dunk, Yakult everyday okay. Red or not, sigurado ka dyan.
Nawala first quarter para dito kay Ray Evangelista. Nasabi nga natin, nakatulong na siya sa puntos. He already has 4 points for his team. And then the energy that he's been able to give, those are big for his team.
And for more on Pure Foods, here's Magu Marja.
Miko, before this game, nakakwentuhan natin si Coach Ryan Gregorio at sabi nga niya, they are struggling and fighting for their survival dito sa Fiesta Cup. Pero he still feels blessed despite their inconsistency because they are still in the thick of the fight. Sana nga lang daw, they get tired of the roller coaster ride and just take off starting from this game. Back to you guys.
That's interesting.
It seems that every team is in a roller coaster ride.
Lalo na dito.
Dito sa komperensyang ito.
We will have an opportunity to show everyone the team standings. When you see the team standings, you will see a win or a loss can mean so much to all the teams involved.
Aside from Wellcoat that has already been eliminated from the Fiesta Cup, yung pinakamababang team natin na available pa rin, na hindi pa na-eliminate, which is actually these two teams at 7 and 8 right there on your screens. Two teams that are playing Talking Text and Pure Foods. They have 3 games remaining. So, mathematically, kaya pa nilang abutin ang number 1 na Air 21 Express and still get the outright semifinals berth. Although, malayo yun at masabi natin, suntok sa buwan, it still is available for these two teams. And that is strange because that is the 9th place team in the league.
That's the goal parity. Yung lahat may pag-asa talagang manalo. Under 3 minutes to go in the opening quarter is Peter June Simon. First time in the game and there's a foul spotted by referee Garchi Ferrer.